Hey everybody, welcome back. I have some fun literacy and math activities to show you that you can create using little Easter eggs. This is a great time of the year to find these little eggs, and after Easter they'll be on sale, so they're already pretty inexpensive, but if you wait another week, they'll be really inexpensive. So let's start with this yellow egg. So this is obviously a literacy activity, and this is just matching a capital A to a lowercase a. Now you could have them filled and you could use them not only to teach the capital and lowercase a, but you could also teach them letter sounds. So I hope this is an alligator and not a crocodile, but if you have some little toys around the house, you could put them together like this with the matching little object that starts with the letter, and you could put them in the Easter basket like this. So we have a capital A, lowercase a, and an alligator. Or you could just leave them blank, not put them together, and have it be a matching game. So for this activity, what you would do is just use the half of the egg for the uppercase, half of the lowercase, and just have them all in a bin like this, and then can match them up, snap them together. This is a similar idea. So I have a number 2 on one side of the egg and then 2 dots on the other to represent 2 different things. So I just hid 2 little toys inside. You could do 2 of anything, or you could use it like a matching game and have them all in a bin, and you could do, probably not an infinite number of numbers, because that would make it difficult with all the dots. But you could go up pretty far, and that would be a fun way to do a number match. And this is the same thing. I just had a bigger egg, so 5 dots with the number 5, and this egg stands up, so I wrote the number 5 this way instead of sideways. And this is just another variation. So this is just has the word 7 written out to match up with the number 7. So I can remember, for some reason I can remember this. I had a really hard time learning to spell 7 and 11 when I was growing up. I remember really struggling with that. Maybe my mom should have made me some of these eggs for practice. Thanks a lot, Mom. This is just another one of the matching upper and lowercase letters. This egg is teeny tiny. And then this is another literacy one, just teaching phonics. So I've just added, flat, an H for hat, a C for cat, an S for at, a B for bat. So there's lots of fun things that you can do with these eggs. You could do eggs like this forever. You could come up with, I don't know, tons and tons of different words to put on your eggs for practicing like this. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you have lots of fun with this activity, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye! Have an excellent day. I could not resist that.